mini fried spice croissant. Let's make it with a twist. Let's get started. For the dough, we need 1 cup of refined flour, half a cup wheat flour, 2 to 3 tablespoons of gram flour, oil and kalonji. Take a big bowl and add around 1 cup of refined flour, half a cup of wheat flour and 2 to 3 tablespoons of gram flour or besan. Mix them well. Now add around half teaspoon of kalonji and 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil and mix them very well. Mix them until the flour start holding the texture. Now by adding water, knead a soft and stiff dough. Knead it until the dough becomes stiff and semi-soft. Grease some oil on the top and keep the dough for rest at least half an hour. For the spice mix, we need salt, dried mango powder, chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder and sugar, poppy or khaskhas, fennel, desiccated coconut, cumin and sesame. Grind them all together to make a spice mix. Roll out the dough and with a knife make equal portions. Roll out the small portions into big round chapatis. Take a sheet and apply some oil onto it. Sprinkle the spice mix on the top of the sheet. Now put another sheet over it and then repeat the same process. Put on some oil and sprinkle the spice mix. Cover it with the last sheet and roll it out. With a knife, make marks as shown and then cut them out from center to the ends. In order to stick them, apply water on the corners. Now sprinkle the spice mix over the top. Roll it out from the corners to the center. Stick them properly so that when we fry them, they do not get open. Repeat the same with all the portions. For frying, heat up some oil and then drop down one by one the mini spice croissants into the oil. Fry them at low heat from both the sides until they become really crisp and golden brown. Fry them until they become brown and crisp and then take them out in a plate. In a small bowl, take the spice mix, add salt according to your taste, around 1 teaspoon of chaat masala and half a teaspoon of red chili powder. Mix it well and then sprinkle the spice mix on the top of the croissants. This will give a very nice flavor to the spiced croissants. And our mini fried spiced croissants are ready.